Good morning. It is Saturday, January 30th, and you know what that means. A little weed-free review and you. Me and Riley are out here in the greenhouse because it's raining outside. It's been raining outside all night long. We were able to run out there between the raindrops and get a little bit of footage. Take a look at what's going on in the coal frames. We even got carrots up. We had hail this morning. Boy. Let's go take a look at the stuff in the coal frames. Our spinach is doing really well. The beets and the arugula. I still can't believe how well this coal frame is working. We went ahead and took out the rest of the radishes. This coming week, we're going to be back at mulching the garden. Stay tuned for that. Leave a comment down below if you think that Swiss chard will be a perennial and just keep right on to growing and get big this summer. I think it will. That stalk is pretty massive. Beets, the kale, and this arugula is looking fantastic. Now I didn't get a hook put up in the greenhouse for my coat, but I got the next best thing. I got a chair. And what better way to garden than to sit and watch the plants. Now we brought the horseradish out here into the greenhouse. Well, I guess we can call it a greenhouse. We brought the horseradish out here. I don't have a good south window, and they were bolting in the house trying to reach the sun on the east side. We're going to go ahead and prune most of these down and see what we get. This one's got some flowers on the top. We may try to see if we can get some seeds out of that. Now, I would be shocked if we had onions and lettuce up already. Check out my last video for this little project. Hopefully you'll be able to follow what you guys are doing at your house. While we're doing our tour of our garden this morning, thunder overhead. So Riley and I decided we were going to just come in the greenhouse. We got quite a few submissions that we want to celebrate this. Valerie took the last of her winter carrots and a couple radishes and whipped up this awesome salad. I'm going to have to get something to eat. Becky and John are new subscribers. This last year was the first time they ever had a garden together. It's a little more traditional, but this coming year I believe they're going to try a deep mulch method. They decided to set up this garden near the old chicken coop and where the calves used to water. It's kind of a mud hole, so they put cloth and cattle panels down to walk on. But with the production you had this year, we cannot wait to see what you do in 2021. We're going to just sit back and watch. Thank you for participating and look forward to what's going to come this year. Larry and Michelle are itching to get things in the ground. So we're going to take a little look back at what they got last year. Larry, Michelle, keep us posted. We really look forward to seeing what you're going to grow this year. Sheena's cabbages and other brassicas are still doing really great. She hasn't put plastic over these at all this year. Sheena, these are great. Keep us posted. Art just started some cabbages, broccoli, and cauliflower. She's using the heating pad. Art, we look forward to seeing these sprout. Marlena and Jason have been very busy putting up a greenhouse this last week. Marlena had a whole bunch of starch she needed to do something with. She's even got radishes up already. Check out their build. This is awesome.
My dream's coming true. Like I was singing. My dream is coming true. My dream is coming true. Ooh, my dream is coming true. Ooh, my dream is coming true. Ooh, my dream is coming true. Ooh. Greenhouse right here. It'll work. Here's my radishes. They've been out here for a while, uncovered. Now see, some of them didn't make it. That's okay. They got frostbit pretty bad before I got the plastic on my greenhouse.
Marlena, Jason, thank you for sending this in.
Radishes doing pretty good for the most part.
Now, as Riley says, it doesn't matter how big or how small you go, you can do this too. Anybody can do this. And I'll tell you what, once you start seeing your own plants grow, you get addicted. One thing we all have in common, we get our hands dirty. And for me and Riley, thank you for coming to our garden. Thank you for coming to the greenhouse, hanging out with us a little bit. And remember, take care of yourself and take care of your family. And God bless you. Let's go to the house. You ready to go? Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.